Hey there everybody, it's markcrilley. I'm back with a quick little video today to get your comments for my next topic video. Those of you who have followed my channel for a while, you'll know that I sometimes do these topic videos. They are art-related topics in which I have a kind of a conversation with my viewers about a certain subject, and this time it's going to be drawing practice. I want to hear everything you have to say about drawing practice. Here you see me doing some drawing practice, or at least I did this drawing practice some years ago when I was preparing for Brody's Ghost. And I thought I'd just sort of flip through these as I tell you what I have in mind for this topic video. You know, people say practice makes perfect. It's very easy to say, but what does that mean when it comes to drawing? What are the best forms of drawing practice? And I'd love to hear you say what types of drawing practice have been most helpful for you. And then the other side of it, I guess two different questions. One is, what do you think are the best types of drawing practice, the most helpful kind? And then the other one is drawing practice really necessary? Do you feel that daily drawing practice is essential for improvement? Some people might say, no, I don't think it's necessary. I've heard some people say, I've gone months without drawing, and then when I picked up the pencil, I found that I had improved without practicing. Do you believe that that's possible? Do you believe that maybe the whole idea of practice makes perfect is overrated? So that's going to be one of the questions. And then the other one is, as I said before, what form of practice works best for you? Do you like to draw the same thing over and over again? You can see me here drawing pictures of Talia, the ghost character, again and again, trying to improve my skills in terms of drawing her as a character. Do you like to draw a wide variety of things? Do you carry a sketchbook around with you and draw real-life stuff that you see, whether it's trees or buildings or people or whatever? Do you prefer not to look at something while you're drawing? Just doodle away in a sketchbook without looking at actual objects? Do you like to get a book from the library that's all about, let's say, anatomy, and focus on practicing that way? I just want to hear, when you think of practice, when you look back on what has helped you to improve, tell me what style of drawing practice has yielded the best results, because I want to gather all this together in next Friday's video and share your wisdom, the kind of collective wisdom of all the different people on this channel. And that's basically it, folks. I do want to quickly say, though, I would not normally do a video like this as my Friday video. I like my Friday video to be a little more substantial than this, but a little glimpse behind the curtain. I've got friends and family visiting this week, which has kind of filled up my schedule with that kind of stuff, and that's why I'm just sort of tossing this one out there as my Friday video. I hope you can forgive me for that, but I really do look forward to reading your comments, pulling them together for next Friday on this, I find, very interesting topic of drawing practice. So thank you so much for leaving your comments. I look forward to reading them, and I'll be back with that topic video real soon.